Do you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. Well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation. What up, guys? It's your boy Nakamoto Crypto here, and today we got a $300,000 Bitcoin predicted by one of his earliest scientists. This guy is the real deal. This guy is one of the real deal, one of the OGs of crypto, Mr. Adam Back himself. Some people are even saying that he is Satoshi, which he keeps denying. So Mr. Adam Back, a crypto pioneer, thinks that the current financial situation could propel Bitcoin to $300,000, even without Goldman Sachs on board. Blockstream's Adam Back says that the unlimited money printing will drive retail investors towards Bitcoin and push the price up to $300,000 within the next 5 years. In an interview with Bloomberg, in which he once again denied that he was Satoshi, Back outlined his thinking behind the sky-high price prediction. The cypherpunk OG was cited in the Bitcoin white paper, added that BTC may not need the long-awaited flood of institutional money to push it into a bull run. Quote unquote, he says, it might not require additional institutional adoption because the current environment is causing more individuals to think about hedging and retaining value when there is a lot of money printing in the world. This is crazy, guys. Lately, trillions of dollars have been pumped into the market. This is fiat money, of course, and that causes currency inflation. So the more inflation you got, the less value that money is. So the dollar is inflating and its value keeps going down over and over again because the Feds keep printing more and more money to bail out the big banks and the big financial institutions because of this depression that we are currently on. And that can drive a lot of institutional money into crypto, because if people once again distrust their governments and their institutions, they're going to trust crypto. They are going to put their money into Bitcoin. They are looking at other alternatives such as precious metals and BTC, of course, in the crypto market. So Back, who holds BTC, he mines in the exception of price appreciation, cited a number of trends working in Bitcoin's favor. These include more people working from home, as well as overvalued bonds and real estate investments, which makes it difficult to get decent returns on most investments. Back reckons that it is causing people to think about the value of money and looking for ways to preserve money. So Back also suggested that inflation makes a $300,000 BTC achievable. In January, Back responded to reports that had unearthed early Bitcoin dev Hal Finney wild speculation that Bitcoin may be worth one day $10 million. Back said that it was entirely possible that high inflation could make $1 worth of $0.10 of a decade or so, which would mean that 10 mil BTC is 1 mil BTC in today's money, of course. So there you have it. Next up, we got Ethereum leads Bitcoin on price as investors prepare for staking arrivals. This is incredible, great news. Ethereum has been climbing high based on the anticipated news that it is going to start its staking mainnet, testnet soon, which is going to be crazy because at some point during the last bull run, for those of you who were here and remembered, Ether went past $1,000 per coin. Can it go higher in this next bull run? Who knows? Next up, we got the latest Bitcoin core code release, protects against nation state attacks. This is another incredible news. As you know, the Bitcoin developers are still working on Bitcoin and the blockchain. I hear a lot of talks about quantum computing, whether or not it can solve codes and break into Bitcoin keys and reveal a lot of stuff. This is fear that been circulating among us for a while now. So rest assured that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So the Bitcoin developers are still working on such things as 51% attacks and any kind of attack on the Bitcoin and the blockchain network. So there you have it, guys. Next up, we got the Ripple executives has a word with Brazil's central bank president. Another great news for XRP, for the XRP holders. Ripple is still making moves, making deals behind closed door, working hard. It is the third largest coin that we have here. Big market cap, and it is working wonders. It's up 1.5% as we speak. The XRP token, of course. So XRP was XRP at one point climbed up to $3. Let's see, what was the all-time high of XRP? $3.84 USD. This was on January 4th, 2018 when it reached its peak during the last bull run. This is crazy. So just imagine how much a $10 XRP can change so many lives. So many lives, guys. And on that note, thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you like the content. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new channel. I'll be keep working on some new crypto bangers, and I'm out.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years. True. Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.